Okay, so I'm outside. There's a bunch of fireworks here. You gotta come to this location, because this location is the best thing. You get to see everything and anything, and that is fireworks. There, wait, there. They're right there. Let me zoom. There they are. Okay, so those are the fireworks. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Okay, you gotta come to this location. It's at Broadway and Transit. Come to this location now. It's so cool, and all my subscribers out there could come to this location and meet me in person at this location. So if any of my subscribers want to come, or you guys, by the way, want to come see these fireworks, just drive over from wherever you are. But if you're far away from here, it's okay. You can't come. Whatever thing that stops you from coming. So this is the fireworks. Everything else, it's so cool, right? So I think I might have to end this now, but come to this location now if you can. Bye.